So we're gonna wait on Melissa vacuum, and then we're gonna like totally show you the coolest thing ever. Okay. So like me and her one day in like 7th grade figured out this thing that like we can do. Well, I can do. It is so cool. Like I'm not even lying. It is so freaking cool. What? What? You're talking. Talking to the camera. Is it recording? Yeah. She's asking me to expose stuff. Melissa, open the door. Let me get Melissa to do stuff. Hi! Wait, I want to put a song on real fast so I can show my cool thing. I was telling them how I figured it out in 7th grade. I don't know if it's getting you or not. Here, wait, let's see. There you go. I don't think it's getting you. Go get there. Okay. So we're chilling. Like, totally. Okay. Listen to this song. I'm sorry to that. Alright, you can stop talking like that? Yeah. Talking like what? Like, okay, so she can make herself sneeze by putting shit up her nose. No, the hair. Yeah, saying, ew, I look like a drug dealer. You're not black. I didn't say I was black. You don't get it? You're a drug dealer? Cotton. I think I have to use more hair. Yeah. Yeah, I have to use more hair. Oh, my hair's too thin. You use my hair. You seriously want me to stick your hair up my nose? We're taking a shower, I think. Still, you want me to sneeze on you? Ew, it's disgusting. Stop! I think you're jacking off to your nose. Stop! This is hard. I have to concentrate. I'm crying. Stop! Again! Other nostril this time. Stop! You're a freak. Don't even ask me how to figure this out. I know, how'd you figure it out? I don't even know. Oh, because when people put feathers like right here, it makes you sneeze. So I thought, oh, maybe if you put hair up your nose, it makes you sneeze. It does. I'm crying right now, Steve. No, you don't seem. Oh my god, I'm getting like mascara everywhere. Come on! Again. Stop! I'm like crying my eyes out. Again! This is a nostril. Here right now. Lucky I'm in a... Again! No, no more. Oh, that's so funny. Oh, now my hair's all like snotty. Ew, that's disgusting. Oh my god, my makeup. Oh, boo him.